Good afternoon. Welcome to Options Tender. It is Tuesday, just afternoon. It's about 1:30. Just wanted to give a midday checkup here and show you where I'm starting to lean. I'm starting to lean on that complex correction. Um, I wanted to show you myself instead of posting anything. This is a free video for the patrons and for obviously patrons and for everybody else with the update. So if you're new here, go down to that bottom right hand corner, hit that Options Tender logo, and subscribe. We're starting to get a down move here. It's looking very similar to this one here. So I'm kind of leaning on this being very symmetrical, A, B, and then a symmetrical move down to C. I don't suspect we'll get a huge move. We do have CPI tomorrow, so we'll have to see what happens with that. But I do suspect we're going to start to make our descent somewhere around the 23.6 area. The shortest point would just be, to make a, here's the scenario. The A, B, C could be in for the bulls, okay? It's an A, B, C. The bulls say it's already in, and we're going to all-time highs. I'm still leaning that we're going to get another low, a divergent low here on the daily. The price action is just demonstrous. It's horrible. I do see us breaking down quickly for the end of this week or the beginning of next week, down to possibly down to the 200-day moving average, but anywhere in the zone from this rising pivot to the possible measured move in the that was in another video if you want to check that out, or the 200-day moving average. So this whole move here would be our W, just a choppy mess W, and then we go to we call it test new highs, but we'd go to make a lower high with the W, and then another move down to the Y. So we would have something of the effect of a three-wave move down, three-wave move up, and a three-wave move down again for a W X. Excuse me. X. Not a WWY, WXY, and that would give our three-wave, three-wave, three-wave. That's what a WXY is. So we're going to monitor that. We're not getting the follow through right now today, just slightly. Probably because this is going to be more of a pause candle, probably because of the CPI tomorrow. So, there's probably not going to be a huge move today. We'll see at power hour, see what happens there. But I'm really leaning on this not getting very much further. That is a pretty big move down, but similar to this one here. I suspect we might gap down from the CPI numbers if the CPI numbers are bad according to what the market considers bad, or good, meaning they won't get any more money from the Fed tapering. So I'm not here to interpret that, but I do suspect that we will have some sort of gap down, and then just like this one, big move, and then we'll start our ascent for the X and make another divergent low with the on the daily chart. I'll get a little bit closer look at this price action on the 65-minute, and then we'll end it right there so I can get this out to you before the day is over. So we're still headed down the 65-minute chart. Looks like we're going to try to break down a little bit further just from the MACD and the RSI. We have some room to go. But you have our A move down. That's a zigzag, would be the A. Three-wave move up, B. Three-wave. See, it looks like we have a five-wave move down here, but this very well could be a three-wave move. So that could be over with, and then the bulls are going to take it from there. We won't know unless we start to break this downtrend here the descending pivot there. If we start to break that, then we know that we're moving into our X already. But breaking down, I do think this is somehow a zigzag as well. So maybe it's a 5-3 and then 5 coming down here for the 100% extension. I got a couple different areas here. So a lot of confluence here in the 4,200 area. I can imagine us just going down to that point. After the numbers happen tomorrow, it could be pretty quick. So just keep an eye on that. And yeah, that's just it's been just super choppy. We knew it was going to be a complex correction, but this is a mess. So maybe we can just get this washout and then start heading higher. Get all the bulls in there. Maybe do a 50, 61.8 retracement or so, or maybe even higher, and then pull all the bulls in, and then have our next move down, complex move for the Y area. So okay, so that's what we have. You know, not really doing anything now. We had some Fed talk and we saw a breakdown, a push down on this 8 EMA, but that was about it. Holding steady, not making any lower lows, and we'll see how we end off the day. And maybe I'll do another update there. But if you're a Patreon, I'll definitely get that morning video for you tomorrow to see what we are doing on the CPI. So, okay, thanks for joining us here at Options Center. Good luck for the rest of the trading day and week. I will talk to you soon.